Alright, so it is day 50. I cannot believe that we're 50 days into this intermittent fasting schedule that I started. And yesterday you saw me stop at Subway and I got this tear it in half here foot-long club sandwich. And as you can see, I refrained from eating any of it, so I'm going to eat half of it now. It is 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and I have not eaten yet. So needless to say, I am hungry. And had to grab my drink. I had left it out of my reach. So after that big cheeseburger, I went to bed last night not feeling hungry at all after that thing. Like I said, hit my stomach like a cement block. But as of this morning, I am ready to eat again and get a new day started. Yesterday I told you a little bit about my great aunt Mabel. We used to every Friday night go to Subway back when it was a new introduced restaurant in my area. And it became a fast favorite of ours. We'd go there every Friday night and she would get me a foot-long BMT, and she always got a 6-inch Subway Club. So those two sandwiches have been with Subway a long time. And this club is awesome. It is good. Sorry if I'm eating like I'm starving to death, but I feel like I'm starving to death. And it is hitting the spot. It's so good. That turkey, ham, and roast beef, man, that's just a well blended sandwich. I read up that they discontinued the Subway Club, but reintroduced it in 2021 because of all the customer complaints. And why would you do something so dumb anyway? That's one of your signature sandwiches. Don't do that again. They got something out there called the All-American Club. Instead of the roast beef, it's got bacon on it. Which is fine, as long as you don't kill something iconic just to introduce it. As much as I love bacon, and that sounds really, really good in my opinion, I would not choose that over this one. This one has historical nostalgia for people. Like me, it gives me memories of time at Subway with my great aunt Mabel, who always got this sandwich. Thank God for wet wipes. And very fond memories of that. Look, Aunt Mabel, I got a Subway Club. She probably smiling down on me from heaven right now. What if they got Subway up there? But let's see. What was the calories on this Subway Club? I forgot. Oh, it was 620. I remember now. 620. That's probably before all the added veggies and stuff. I'm not sure how they measure the calories. And honestly, I don't care. These subs are basically a salad on bread. More like a sandwich. Oh Lord. Let me hurry up, eat this last bite before it comes back. Alright, I'm all done. You're not getting my other half. That's either going to come in handy later today, or it's going to be tomorrow's food. That actually kept pretty fresh in the refrigerator compared to the ham sub the other day. Now the ham sub was the freshest one straight out of the gate. Going straight out of the restaurant, eating it straight from the restaurant, it seemed to be the freshest one that I had, but for some reason it didn't fare as well in the refrigerator as the steak and cheese did yesterday, which was excellent cold. And this Subway Club, maybe it has something to do with the beef flavor on them. You ever heard of cold roast beef? It's kind of like that, I guess. But anyway, we'll talk to you in a little while when we get ready to eat again. Okay, so we are done with our day. Day 50 out of the way. Day 50, and also my age is 50. But that's all good. I'm feeling younger every day. Okay, so we the other half of our sub. I was bought my mother and father who came over and was all eating together, and I was given a chili cheeseburger with onions and French fries, which I could have eat easily and been okay because I eat whatever I want. But I decided not to eat the chili cheeseburger, so I wrapped it up and I put it in the refrigerator for tomorrow, and I will be giving that to my son tomorrow. He ate his chili cheeseburger and fries. I did eat some of the fries out of my plate, and I shared the most of the rest of them with my mother. She didn't have any fries, And so I ate, not many, probably about 7 to 8 fries, somewhere around in that area. No big deal. And I ate the other half of my Subway Club that I bought yesterday. And that was the way I handled that. And the only reason, mind you, that I did not eat the chili cheeseburger because I got a weigh-in come Monday, and I've been losing weight. I have not had a stall as of yet. Of course, I'm extremely overweight. Being in the 300s of pounds, I'm a 6'3" man, and 100 pounds of weight loss at this point, if I get to 228 like I want to, I will look extremely thin compared to a person that weighs, a person that is shorter than me that weighs the same amount. I mean, 228 would look terrible on someone, with a shorter stature, but me being 6'3", that's a good rounded weight for me to be at. So I can't wait to get there. So about 100 pounds is what I'm shooting for. But we'll take anything, right? And my goal was to try to do as much as I can of that over the year. Hopefully we can get there. It is just now the middle of February, which February is a short month. So we will do the best we can with what we're given. But that I want under that 300 mark. It's nagging at me. Started out at 328, and I've been going down, and then when I hit around 310, it's like 2 pounds here, 1 pound here, 2 more pounds, 1 pound, and it's just nagging at me to get under that 300. I want that milestone taken care of so badly. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I chose to opt out of the chili cheeseburger today, because weigh-in is Monday. That's when I've been doing my weigh-ins and videoing it. And I want to be at least 300 pounds by Monday. But under it would be more than exceptional, I would say. My last weigh-in, I was 303.8, so that was still right at 304. That's almost 304 pounds, and the weigh-in before that was 305. So I lost a little over a pound on last weigh-in. So I really want to get those last little 3 to 4 pounds gone. Would make my day so much, and I think I'm going to get there. I think splitting one sub sandwich into 2 6-inches and making 2 meals out of that a day is going to yield some pretty good results come Monday. I feel it. I mean, I can actually feel it. Feel it in my bones. But anyway, my wife and we went to town earlier after I ate the other half of that sub, and we got some things for my daughter's 16th birthday. Her birthday was on the 17th, but conflicting schedules of school and work and everything. We're throwing a little party for her where people can be there tomorrow around 3 p.m. So I will be having a piece of birthday cake. I promise you that. I'm not letting a piece of that get by my intermittent fasting window. I will be eating a piece of that. You can bet on it. But while we were out, I stopped in Subway and I got a foot long, what do you call that thing? Gosh. I done went through so many subs I can't remember. What I get? Cold cut combo. There you go. I got one of them. Now the steak and cheese sub was $9. The BMT sub was $9. The can't remember what the ham sub was. I think it was like $6 and so. And this cold cut combo was also a little over $6. So some of those sandwiches are cheaper than others. But even at $9, you figure, you're making 2 meals out of that sandwich. So eating, for around $4 to $5 per meal is really good, in my opinion, these days and times. Because it's rough out there. It is rough out there. So I'm all prepared to take on this sub tomorrow and eat my piece of birthday cake and head into Monday morning's weigh-in with a clear head and a confident feeling of we are going to hit that 300-pound mark or under. But yeah, I'm meeting a lot of really nice people out there who are real encouraging. I'm starting to watch other people's videos more. I'm starting to expand into watching some other YouTubers more, and as I grow, I will definitely be mentioning a lot more about them. Some people really inspire me out there to keep pushing forward, and I appreciate them very much. There's 4 people that I can think of off the top of my head that are real encouraging, and I appreciate every bit of that. And you will receive it back. I promise. I promise you, you will receive it back, because I'm telling you, I've lived life. 50 years. I've got a 27-year-old son who's autistic and a 16-year-old daughter who's autistic. Both of them on different levels. My son is on the extreme, very difficult end of the spectrum, and my daughter is mild to moderate. So she has language and stuff and brings us great joy. And she can talk and read and do math, and that's more than I can do almost. so yeah, I feel very blessed to have people out there to help push me in the right direction. I want to live longer for them. That's what it's all about. I want to live longer, so I'll be on this earth for them. Turning 50 was an eye-opener for me. And I have old video. I even have some old video that I'm going to put out in the future, as I start to grow, and as I, well, not grow as in weight gain, hopefully, but grow as in, community. I will be able to show you, the old video of me from way back in 1994 when my son was 1 year old. So look forward to sharing that, and some video footage of me, from the past few years. I've got a lot of content out there, and I got a lot to share over time. But this story, is just in the beginning phase. So that will be a little later down the road, but look out for that. And I think that's about all I have for today. Again, thanks to all the support out there. You will receive it back, and we'll see you tomorrow. Till then, you have a good one.